Hello, and welcome to this ScriptEasy training video. In our previous videos, we showed how to configure the site, along with the inputs and the outputs that will be used by the various pieces of equipment. We explored the basics of script design, where all of the I/O that you have configured is available on the palette menu for insertion into the script. We showed how the logic connections are made, so that one element can trigger another. And we showed, using simulation mode, how an analog element has multiple states, and the value of the object in real time controls which of the logic outputs will be active. Now let's take a moment to explore some ScriptEasy conventions. For example, if you wish to duplicate an object in the script, Control-C will copy it and Control-V will paste the new copy, which should then be given a unique name to avoid confusion with the source object. Likewise, selecting an object and hitting the Delete key or Control-X will remove it from the script. You can also select groups of objects in the script, and then move that group to another location in the script page as you see fit. Or Control-Copy and paste the entire group, for example, to duplicate a logic tree for different actions. For convenience and clarity's sake, text labels can be added to the script, with the text being entered through the menu available in the Properties panel. An important concept to remember in ScriptEasy is that a single logic output can drive multiple logic inputs. For example, this one switch can drive all three of these alarm objects, as we can see if we use simulation mode and then activate the object. However, you cannot connect multiple logic outputs to drive a single input. For the script to function correctly, the multiple outputs must be grouped through a logic gate, typically an OR gate. This allows any one of the three objects to trigger the alarm. Now it's time to look in detail at a few of the objects available in ScriptEasy, starting with one of the most powerful, the scheduler object. The scheduler can be used to automate pattern or power changes, to filter or redirect alarm messages or actions based on the time of day or day of the week, or any other time-triggered event the user wishes to program. When we look at the Properties panel for the scheduler, pay close attention to the duration setting. You can program one or many events into the scheduler, but each time one of those events arrives, the logic output of the scheduler will be active for this duration of time. To create an event, open the Starting At menu. The scheduler is broken down by month, days of the week, and time. For example, if you want to program a power change to happen in January at one particular time, you would select January as the month, every day, all days of the week, and enter the fixed time at which the power change would take place. To schedule the same event for a different time in February, you would uncheck January, select February as the month, continue with the every day of the month and all days of the week, and enter the new time for the power change. In order to schedule an event to happen on particular days of the week, you would select every month, every day of the month, and then choose the days on which you'd like the scheduler to be active. The scheduler can trigger at one fixed time during the day, or at multiple times during the day. And don't forget, as each event in the scheduler arrives, the scheduler logic output will be active for the length of time as set in the duration value.